So look at this question. So you have to integrate tan x plus tan alpha upon tan x minus tan alpha. You know that you have to integrate with respect to x. So everything except x is constant. But look at this. You know that while handling trigonometric thing, we used to take something as z. And majorly if we are handling trigonometry, we used to take tan theta as z. But here, if you will take tan theta as z, do you really think that you can create sec square theta? No. So here is something catch. So still you know that you have to solve this question. So how we will solve? Just look at the answer. Answer is in terms of cos. So 100% we haven't taken z as tan theta. So what we will do? Just convert or just break down this question. So can I break down this question and I'll be writing sine alpha. No, it's x. First thing is x. Okay, so sine x by cos x plus sine alpha by cos alpha. Okay, similarly sine x by cos x minus sine alpha by cos alpha. है ना? Now take LCM. If you'll observe the denominator will get neutralized. So after taking LCM, we will be having sin x cos alpha plus cos x sin alpha. Correct? Now look at the denominator. Denominator will have sin x cos alpha minus cos x sin alpha. I hope it reminds you of some formula. Sin a plus b and sin a minus b. Correct? So here what we will do, we will be writing numerator as sin x plus alpha and denominator will be sin x minus alpha dx. Now again you know that the argument is different. Although trigonometric ratio is same, but the argument is different. So what I will do, for time being I will take denominator as z. Not denominator but the argument of denominator, because we have problem with argument, not with the denominator whole thing. Trigonometry is not the problem. Okay, so x minus alpha. So differentiate this thing with respect to x. So dz by dx 1. Now do the replacements. So in place of x, can I write z plus alpha? So this thing will become z plus 2 alpha. Okay, and the denominator will look like z. Okay, so this is z and this thing is dz. Okay, now the idea is just open numerator and you will get your things done. So can I apply sin a plus b formula? So it is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, है ना, upon sin z. Okay, now can I break this question into two questions? Okay, so we will have what? We will have integration of cos 2 alpha dz plus sin 2 alpha cot z dz, है ना? Now be super slow. You know that you are integrating with respect to z, so everything except z is a constant. So cos 2 alpha is a constant. So constant thing outside. Now differentiation of 1 becomes what? Z, है ना? So can I write Z plus sine 2 alpha is a constant. So sine 2 alpha taken outside. Now differentiation of cot Z. Cot Z is what? ln sec x, है ना? Cot x is ln sec x. So ln sec Z, and then we have integration constant as c. Okay, now replace your z with your assumed value. What is your assumed value? X minus alpha. So x minus alpha cos 2 alpha plus sine 2 alpha log sec x minus alpha. Okay, so it is x minus alpha plus integration constant c. So this is your required result. Okay, I hope the idea is clear, and from now onwards, if you will have this kind of situation, you can handle it in more wiser way. Okay.